Here we have the OnePlus 12R. Let's take an initial look at this mid-range device from OnePlus, but it offers high specs. It's priced at $499, so it's very attractive in this case. This is the iron gray color edition, although it is also in cool blue, and as you can see, it looks similar in design to the OnePlus 12, although it is obviously a device with much simpler cameras. Here we will find main camera of by 100 megapixels, ultra-wide of 8 megapixels, and the third camera is nothing more macro. That's not so attractive, but its storage is 256 gigabytes and it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So in performance, it does offer a full flagship experience even with its 5500 mAh battery and 16 gigabytes of RAM in total, including virtual RAM. In addition, it can record video at 4K at 60 frames per second. It supports 100-watt charging and its front camera is 16 megapixels. The screen is 6.78 inches with AMOLED technology, and in this case 120 Hz in its refresh rate, protected with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It has a weight of 207 grams, and we will also find in Android 14 with Oxygen OS, also in its 14 edition. We also have here the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, the high-end earbuds that OnePlus currently has, which offer a latency of 54 milliseconds, IP55 certification, and in this case comes with an 11mm driver in addition to a 6mm flat membrane to offer very good audio quality. They also have a button for easy repairing, come in collaboration with Dean Audio, and also support active noise cancellation. So these are high-end headphones. And here we also have the OnePlus Watch 2, a smartwatch from OnePlus with a round format, although with a small tab on the right side that breaks with the circle to place the buttons there. In this case it is the black steel color, although it is also available in radiant steel. Its screen is AMOLED of 1.43 inches, similar to that of other smartwatches, offering a maximum brightness of 600 nits. It comes protected with sapphire glass, and as you already noticed, it also has Wear OS. And although its button rotates, it is not actually a digital crown as we see in more advanced watches. With the power saving mode, they offer up to 12 days of battery life and the full charge is finished in 60 minutes. Without the saving, they promise approximately 100 hours of battery life, which would be 4 days. It resists being submerged to 50 meters deep and has military certification, so it resists extreme climates. Its processor is the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 and also has the ability to answer calls directly from the watch. This is currently one of the best exponents in Wear OS watches. Let me know what you think. Let